Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Motorola Moto G84. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. And now you can click open. Here you can skip introduction, and now click on open permissions and find your AI assistant on this list, and you have to click here to allow your AI assistant to display over other apps. And now you can click back and click back again, and you can click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open that and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.